Hello, assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study about Newton's third law. We discussed in the last video Newton's first law and Newton's second law. Now we will study about recoil velocity of the gun. That means after firing the backward reaction of the gun. ফায়ার করার পর বন্দুক পিছনের দিকে যে ধাক্কা দেয় সেটাকে বলা পশ্চাৎবেগ বা recoil velocity. This topic we will study based on Newton's third law. Let's start. I am Mohammad Mehdi Hassan Rupon. First title, Newton's third law. Newton's third law. Newton's third law. First, we need to know what Newton's third law. Every action has equal and opposite reaction. Action, reaction. This is Newton's third law. Every action has equal and opposite reaction. Every action has equal and opposite reaction. That means if I push the wall, opposite side, I mean wall side will push me equally. Action, opposite side, reaction. Action, equal reaction. Action, equal reaction. Action, reaction. Reaction. This is equal reaction. Equal with opposite direction. Opposite direction. Opposite direction. Action will opposite reaction with opposite direction. This is the Newton's third law. This is the Newton's third law. Now we will see our main topic, recoil velocity of the gun. Backward reaction or recoil velocity of the gun. Title, recoil velocity of the gun or revolver. This is gun. Okay. After firing, bullet, a bullet. After firing bullet, this direction action. At the same time, reaction is on the gun. Action is on the bullet. Same time reaction is on the gun. Action, reaction. Action equal reaction. Action, reaction must be equal. Must be equal. This reaction, this gun reaction is known as recoil velocity of the gun. Recoil velocity, I mean backward reaction of the gun. Recoil velocity of the gun. Recoil velocity of the gun. If action's value put 10 Newton, must be reaction value 10 Newton, because action reaction must be equal 10 Newton, 10 Newton action, 10 Newton reaction, 10 Newton reaction. Force of action, this is force of action, this is force of reaction. Always force of action equal force of reaction. Force of reaction, always action, reaction, always same, but opposite direction, this direction, opposite direction. Reaction force 10 Newton, action force 10 Newton equal 10 minus 10 equal 0, 10 minus 10 equal 0. Action reaction difference always 0, action reaction difference always 0. Force difference is known as force net. We can write force net always 0. Action reaction force net always 0. Force net always 0. Okay. Suppose if we think so, action velocity smaller v, actions velocity, bullets velocity smaller v, gun reaction velocity capital V. Bullet mass m, gun mass capital M. So we know that, we see that bullets action equal guns reaction, smaller v equal capital V, smaller v always equal capital V. Put here, now this is bullet velocity, put here bullet mass m, this is gun velocity, put here gun mass m, capital M, capital V equal capital M, smaller v. This is bullet mass, this is bullet velocity. These two together is known as momentum. Mass into velocity is known as momentum. Together is known as momentum. Mass velocity, momentum. So this is bullet momentum, and this is mass velocity, gun mass, gas velocity. This is gun momentum. This is bullet momentum, gun momentum. So always gun momentum equal bullet momentum. Gun momentum equal bullet momentum. mv minus mv equal always 0. This is the formula, this type of recoil velocity map. This is the formula, this type of map. Capital M, capital V minus smaller m, smaller v equal 0. This is the formula of this type of map. One question. This is pistol. This is pistol. After firing, bullet actions velocity 200 meter per second. Bullet mass 0.2 kg. Gun mass 5 kg. Reaction backward or recoil velocity what? Determine the recoil velocity. Solve this question. Pause the video and solve the question and comment it. Solve. Okay. let's start. Okay, we know the formula mv minus mv equal 0. Here m, capital M, that means gun mass 5 kg. Capital V, recoil velocity determinable. Okay, minus M, bullet mass 0.2 kg into a smaller v, bullet action velocity equal 0. V equal 5 into V equal positive 0.2 into 200. V equal 0.2 200 by divided by 5. Calculate it and solve the question. Answer at meter per second. Answer commented meter per second. Well, this is the recoil velocity formula of the gun. Okay. See you next class and keep studying. Thank you. Tata. Bye bye.